Hello everyone, my name is Claudia over at the Metairie Clinic, and we are here to talk about an exciting topic, how hormone therapy can help improve cognitive function. As we age, our cognitive function naturally declines. This can manifest as memory lapses, difficulty concentrating, and slower thinking. Hormones play a crucial role in maintaining brain health. Imbalances in hormones like estrogen, testosterone, and thyroid can impact cognitive function. Hormone therapy involves restoring hormonal levels to their optimal range, which can significantly impact cognitive function. By restoring your hormones, we can lead you to numerous benefits. For example, improved memory and recall, enhanced concentration and focus, better problem-solving skills, elevated mood and reduced anxiety, and increased mental clarity and overall brain health. At Rejuvime Medical, we are committed to helping you achieve your best health. If you're experiencing cognitive decline or just want to enhance your brain function, HRT may be the right choice for you. Thank you for watching. Visit rejuvimemedical.com for more information.